just tell me, we started, I think, 16th December, right? 15th or 16th December, right?
No, we started 26th December, sir. 25th is holiday, no? December, Christmas.
Okay.
26th we started, yeah.
Okay. And almost 1 month is completed, right?
I got everything what I wanted to do now. Do you think anything pending to teach me? Then teach me. Otherwise, I'm okay.
My education is completed. What I'm asking you, how do you feel about past knowledge and present knowledge with the smart money method?
Yeah, yes, sir. I about to talk to this. You know what? Earlier, when I do chart analysis, no, I couldn't sleep.
Okay.
Because it's giving me feeling that no, I need something to learn. I am what is called it's kind of lack feeling both the from technical perspective confidence, because my concept is not clear, so there will be no confidence, and I don't want to be focused on the trading, you know. Then I did so many YouTube series is there. I told you there is one guy ICT fought. Oh my god, my friend is joining in Australia now. He's not making any money. He left the trading. He joined that mentor called Michael or someone ICT. He joined there in Australia. He said the Prashanth is too hectic. It is 12-month mentorship. I lost everything. Because your personal work is disturbing, right? Then I thought, what I can do? People are doing so many courses. What I can do? I decided to shift my job. Initially, I doing some monitoring TCS or something, but I'm not able to put the trade because sometimes my resistance is wrong. Sometimes resistance working, and I'm not satisfied. What I'm doing? See, I'm doing 4 hours charting, but it is not satisfying me because I don't know the direction, trend direction. I don't know the entry, my stop loss, and even though I'm loose, I take a huge stop loss, some 20 to 50 points. You know, sometimes then boss, what I'm doing it here because I got a 1:1 ratio. Sometimes I'm agree, but that's not that proceed me to go on a higher level of to shift to the full time trading.
Yes, correct.
But after 25th, when I joined with the market structure, then I realized, boss, something inside there, and that is a secret. And you are already following this forex market since I was not planned for a gold, frankly speaking. I come to learn option trading, and my goal is to just 30 points in a day option. That's all.
Okay.
And go for the swing. That is for cash market. I do swing, and my intention to make 30% for a month from cash market. I can take a 5 stock. That's my agenda to join your course. Once I join you at 26 December 30, I change my goal sheet. I remove my stock. I go shift to I am going to be gold trader. That's it. Because one chart fine, and you are teaching it so very well. So I thought I don't want to go anywhere. I remove all my data. I was decided to join supply and demand trading. I remove all my data, delete it, because I don't think so right now. I think to go anywhere, because if I go anywhere, there is again checklist, and you have a simple 4-point checklist. Market structure.
Exactly.
That is 70% accuracy. If I want to go higher accuracy, there is a resistance, block candle to look. Correct, sir? This is order we need to follow. If I get a 70% accuracy, I am happy. I don't want to jump in each and every candle. There is a problem with only to find out the 5 candle with a swing at 3 candle. Now it's got it too much clarity. And it is in reality is not required, right, sir?
What do you think? How much accuracy you may get from this course?
You ask me, I can rate me 10. If 100 out of 100, I can give a 90 to 96%. So 4% is only my risk because I depend on practice. And very soon I wanted to come onto YouTube channel with my get stories. That is my agenda.
Super.
I wanted to make you famous.
Don't forget to mention me.
I wanted to make you famous because you gave me a nice setup.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Yeah, that's the reason I choose to take a challenge for 1 week on demo account. After that, I wanted to go with live market. Then after I wanted into who's my mentor. So frankly speaking. That is my goal. This is frankly my goal, sir.
Okay. And now, see, as of now, you are doing some practice only, right? So
I'm doing practice and demo education demo trades. Yeah.
Okay, super. Now, how much risk to reward calculation? 1:2 or 5, or how much possible to take by you?
With your analysis, frankly speaking, I'm able to reach 1:4, 1:5, but I stick to 1:2.
Super, man, super.
I did a practice very well on both the charts. It's working fine. Now I'm okay. And I decided to take a challenge. Risk also you risk management also you cover, so I can practice that.
Super. Do it. Do the practice more and come back with a profit very shortly.
Yes, sure, sir. Sure. I'll keep you updated my progress on WhatsApp, sir. Don't worry.
Sure, man. Sure. I'm waiting for your result.
Sure, sir. Thank you so much for
your
time.
Whenever you have doubt, just ping me by WhatsApp along with the chat or anything. So I will get you further. Okay.
Sure, sir. At least I have 1 week. I wanted to be on independent. At least 1 week of this time. If I can able to solve the problem, okay. If I any challenges, I can shoot with the chat on the text WhatsApp message. Okay.
Okay, man. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Prashanth.
Because you're also busy, so I don't want to utilize your time. Whenever I require,
No
I
issue.
can text
So
the
you
message.
just WhatsApp me. I will check if I'm free. Definitely, we will connect immediately. Otherwise, we will fix a time to validate what are the mistakes you did and etc. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Prashanth.
Thank you. Have a good day, man.
Yeah, you too. Bye.